here we are at 54 Manor East. I'm about to film our associate Wendy Spencer and show you this beautiful house. Okay. Oh, this is really nice. It's got a beautiful, oh, let's have a look at this. So this would be a great space to hang out in the summer or even well into the fall. And how sweet to be on with such a beautiful street. And look, that beautiful house across the street as well. Just a really lovely residential area right off of Yonge Street. Okay, let's see if Wendy's here now. Hi, come on in.
Welcome to 54 Manor. I just am so excited to show you this beautiful home. It is really luxury appointed. You'll notice right away that we're in a separate hallway. You don't walk directly into the living room, but you actually walk into another area. So you don't get the cold draft coming into the living room. The floor in this entranceway is 12 by 24 limestone. And I'll show you the rest of the house. This is the living room, and we have one of two fireplaces in the house. This one is a wood-burning fireplace.
Okay, that would be my spot for the rest of the season.
Yeah, I think everybody's going to enjoy this coming up to the winter now. And you know, it's a very feel of Art Deco and old tradition in this house. The house was actually taken right back to the brick in 2012, so everything is brand new. We have hardwood floors that are dark but could be sand and stained to whatever a new buyer would like, because they're real hardwood flooring. As we walk through here, we have a hall closet that's very large. It goes right back through to the back of the stairs, and a beautifully appointed powder room. So take a look at this.
Oh, that is beautiful. The details are incredible. I always love those, oh, that's got a nice slab countertop there. Beautiful wallpaper. That looks actually very similar to the wallpaper that we had at 11 Thurlow.
It's the same designer, Robin Nadell, and she is now joined with Harvey Wise, and they have a design team that is doing really amazing things in the city of Toronto. So come on into the dining room. We've taken some of the chairs out, but as you can see, it's a very large and elegant dining room, and actually separate. So you get a feeling of old world charm where you actually can have you know, dinner parties, and they're not part of your kitchen family room.
Yeah, it's also nice when people, you know, after a meal, some people like to linger and other people will go by the fireplace. So it is nice to have it
Yeah,
all
it's
separate.
great entertaining space. The flow was really thought out in the house. Very high ceilings, and I know they've nice crown moldings. They're actually plaster moldings, and deep baseboards throughout the house. I know they've had dinner parties here with 8 to 10 people, so that's an easy fit. Into the kitchen, which is a beautiful bright space. There's a lot of marble that's been used in this house, so attention to a lot of higher quality products that have been used in the bathrooms and the kitchen. This is statuary marble, which is a very premium marble, and you'll notice the 2-inch depth of the profile. It's square profile slab with the 2-inch depth. We also have the statuary on the slab on the backsplash.
Oh, that's nice when you can see a full slab on the backsplash.
Yeah, and note the Wolf's stove. It's got the gas top and the electric oven, as well as a brand new fridge. This fridge is about a month, 2 months old, so it's got the 3 doors, the ice maker, and the water inside.
Great.
And this is one of my favorite features of the house. When you're cleaning up, you get this beautiful view of the very mature, lush garden and the magnolia tree in the spring.
Well, let's have a look, actually. Can I just have a peek at the garden before we go through? Let's just have a look. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Okay, I'll do dishes. Okay.
Some other features in this kitchen, they're soft closed drawers, but they've even thought of putting the dishes here very close to the dishwasher, which is built in.
That's smart.
So easy unload. You might be able to convince your husband or children to unload. The breakfast bar easily seats several chairs, and there's also a
An
coffee
espresso
bar.
maker, which is
Yes, when you want your morning coffee.
Or you could use your espresso maker there, or a juicer would be great there as well.
Yeah.
It's
It's
smart that they
got
have the
plugs.
electrical.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So these were all custom cabinetry, and they go right to the ceiling, which is nice. This is a very large pantry on either side of the coffee bar.
Oh, there's actually storage space up there, so you could actually put, you know, extra platters or pots. I mean, I guess if they wanted a different look, there's lots of things you could do up there.
Yeah, collection of something. So let's go upstairs, then we'll come back and go to the basement later. This is the master, and you'll notice it's really bright. There's so many windows. There's a little balcony as well.
Oh,
so
that's really pretty.
yeah, it's
King size
it's
master.
spacious. It's got a little sitting area that you could watch TV, and it goes into an ensuite bathroom.
I like here. Can I have a look at this? Oh, look, it's got a cathedral ceiling area. Can I just have it? Oh, that's really lovely. I love how that works. And then this actually overlooking the garden as well. I bet that magnolia tree is gorgeous from here as well.
It's beautiful in the spring. There's also a very large master walk-in closet
Oh, with a window.
with a window, so
Oh,
you
I
don't
love that.
feel so dark in here.
Oh, it's so sweet. Oh, somebody's got lovely clothes. No, that's great that there's, so it goes all the way back this other way as well.
Yes, so there's a men's section over there, or maybe you just want to take the whole kit and caboodle over. We're going to walk into the ensuite. The unique thing about this is there's a medicine cabinet that's very substantial between the two rooms, which is a nice feature because it's sort of
Oh, that's great.
hidden
It looks-
away.
And it's got like a little linen closet here, which is
Yes. And then come on in. This is
Oh
a
my
beautiful
God,
master.
gorgeous.
Again with this is the Carrara marble slab, and again with the 2-inch profile, and an extra large shower that has the Carrara bench, and also the little shelf for your
Product shelf there.
product shelf. It has the rain shower and a handheld shower.
And my feet are warm, so clearly that's got a heated floor.
Yes, and the soaker tub. It's kind of a room you never want to leave.
Oh, that really is very beautiful. And again, so bright. And I love how they've actually frosted a lot of the windows so that you've got privacy, and yet it's also very bright at the same time.
So very large vanity mirror with his and her sinks, or the double sinks. And
So clearly the same designers. The owners like that thick marble top.
just down the hallway from the master is this second bedroom. Now, the current owners are using the entire floor as a master suite with the ensuite, and then using this as a sitting area, plus they have a desk in here to do work. But as realtors, we're using it as a bedroom, so it could be used as a third bedroom, and then the basement could also be used as a bedroom as well. So it has the beautiful gas fireplace, and it has a large closet, extra large. And it also has 4 beautiful south-facing windows that are looking at the treetops.
I know, I love this window actually. It gives it a very special, it feels almost like European.
Yeah, there's so much light and greenery. I don't think we mentioned, but all the gardens are grass-free, so there's no cutting gardens or
How
grass.
Urban gardens.
Yeah, they're urban gardens, but very lush and mature.
Great.
So let's head up to the 3rd floor because we have another very large bedroom up there, office and ensuite.
Oh, this is nice. Everything's so bright. Isn't that pretty? And this carpet, I love this carpet. It's kind of like Tory Burch design. Okay, so here's, oh, this is nice, especially if you have a teenager maybe.
Yeah, this is sort of a
Guest room?
suite up in the sky on the 3rd floor.
Oh.
So it's a very large bedroom. with a barn door closet, and the closet is very large with exposed brick, so that's a unique feature. Also has an area for work. It's a large enough room that you can have a desk and a work area, which is really important right now. But it has its own ensuite. So we have the heated floors.
Nice.
And
and a bench as well.
a large shower with the subway tile and the Caesar stone bench.
Sweet.
So great for guests. You could even put 2 kids up in this room. It's large enough to have 2 twin beds. And then if we walk across the hall, we come to another work area. Again, really important right now to have multiple work areas in your home.
Oh, that's great.
And again, there's the exposed brick, a skylight.
Or you could even do yoga up here.
Yeah, it's just this great space, and very bright and comfortable, and another place to get away from the family, so you can all spread out. The basement area, which is really adds another 800 plus square feet to the house because it's very usable. It was just redone at the end of 2019, so foam insulated, waterproofed. There's a 25-year guarantee that's transferable to the new owner with the waterproofing. New floor, drywall, everything. So lots of storage area. These are large storage closets, so it's sort of like a mudroom in this area, I find. Bring your dog leashes and everything and boots in here. And then this area, they've been using it as a gym, but it can also be used as a family room. It could potentially be used as a 4th bedroom. It's obviously very dry and warm now, and a great space. Like, you really do need this home gym at this time during COVID. So if you walk down here, we have the furnace room, a linen closet, but then you also have this laundry room with a full bathroom. It's got the beautiful glass shower again with the tile and the subway tile. And so it really could be a nanny suite or a 4th bedroom down here. So here we are back in the kitchen, and there's an entrance to the back garden. So come and follow me and we'll go out there. So come on out in the back garden. There's actually 4 separate areas of outdoor spaces in this house. This one would be the first dining area, and there's actually a gas hookup that's accessible for this dining area. And if you walk through the garden, you'll see how special it is. It's a mature garden that has been lovingly maintained, and the added feature is you have this very large garage, which is unique for a midtown home that's so close to Yonge Street. And then back here we have a secret garden.
Oh my gosh, this just keeps going.
Yeah, and this area is another eating area. You could make it into a kids' play area. You could have it with,
Is that a shed there, Wendy?
That is a shed, and that could also be turned into something pretty unique if you wanted to have some alfresco eating with curtains and, really jazz it up. But right now they're using it as a storage area. You could use it for a variety of different things. A gym, a play area for kids. You could make it into a little gazebo. So just a wonderful extra space. There's no lack of storage in this house. So come and walk back through. This is a beautiful magnolia tree, by the way, in the spring, and probably one of the most beautiful trees in Toronto. It doesn't last long, but when it's here, it's spectacular. Notice the feature of the arbor with the ivy growing up it.
This garden really is fantastic. And it's so nice that it's such a lush, mature garden. These trees actually, I don't know if I can actually pan to show you, but they're about 25 feet high easily. So you really do feel like you're in a special, really lush paradise out here.
So just to sum up the wonderful features of this house, first of all, you're in the first block closest to Yonge. You're halfway between Yonge and Eglinton and Yonge and Davisville, so a 5-minute walk either direction to the TTC. And the new LRT is going in a couple of years, and that will be 5 minutes up the road as well. The house itself has everything you need. It has a garage that you can park in, plus parking in the driveway, so that's 2 spots. It has 4 outdoor spaces, so lots of places to get outside, which is really important right now. It has 3 bedrooms. It has a family room / gym in the basement, an office on the 3rd floor. So a lot of different workspaces, workout spaces, outdoor spaces. The finishes in this house are upgraded. The owners really took care to include a lot of beautiful marble and a lot of beautiful finishes. The house was completely renovated in 2012 and has had upgrades since then. So I don't know where you can live in Midtown and get all that in one package. So really, if you're considering a condo versus a house, you're at the same sort of price point, yet you're getting a house. So really great value, and you're getting this spectacular place to live.